Hey guys, welcome to Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income. And welcome back to the channel. I'd just like to share this overview on what's coming out soon. Today we're going to be talking about the Kibo Eclipse, brand new program that's coming out. It's scheduled for a pre-launch on January 19th. The cart opens on January 25th and closes on February 4th. I'd like to give you guys just a quick update about the Kibo Eclipse program. But before we start, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and like this video so you can be notified as I bring you some more second income solutions. The Kibo Eclipse is a training program that teaches individuals how to make money by utilizing a very unique type of e-commerce that has made millions of dollars over the last few years. Adam Booth and Steve Clayton are the creators of this product. What sets this apart from other e-commerce approaches is that it's significantly faster and easier to install, especially for those with little prior experience. This is a tried and true method that excludes Amazon inventory or international vendors. Furthermore, you do not need to be in the United States to make this work. But more importantly, the customer success rate for the first two Kibo Code training versions has been unparalleled knowledge. So, can you imagine what this new version will be like? There will be testimonials from people that earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every day. Not only that, but with this new edition of the Kibo comes with a slew of new features, will be a massive breakthrough. Completely new marketplace, an insane source of targeted traffic, untapped by the BizOp crowd, double the size of Amazon, currently doing $100,000 a month. So again, as you can see, the pre-launch will take place January 19th, 2022. So if you want more information about the launch, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so we continue updates about the Kibo Eclipse. I hope you have gotten some value from this video. Here's an opportunity to get a free download. E-commerce Made Easy free report. Click the link below.